Wiring of the PX400 pressure sensor. Check the nameplate with 4 to 20 mA output. Open the back cover. There are 4 terminals here. Output with a 2-wire system. Connect the OUT here. Test for factory use, no need now. Prepare a 2-4 VDC power supply. If just need to check the display value, then directly power it. If need to check for 220 mA signal, here, do that with a multimeter, for example. Out, plus, connect to power supply, positive. Out with signal output. Connect to positive end of the multimeter. Then connect negative end of the multimeter to the power supply, negative. The meter power up. Also, the signal value shows